Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to chat in Google Meet. The chat feature is one of the easiest ways to communicate with other participants during a meeting without interrupting the speaker. First, open Google Meet and start a new meeting or join an existing one. Once you enter the meeting, look at the bottom toolbar. You'll find the chat icon, which is usually located on the right side of the meeting window. Click the chat icon to open the chat panel. A panel will appear on the right side of the screen. At the bottom of the panel, you'll see a message box where you can type your message. For example, type a simple message like "Hello everyone" and then click the send button. Your message will immediately appear in the meeting chat. Other participants in the meeting will be able to read your message and respond if needed. You can use the chat feature to share important updates, ask questions, send links, share meeting information, or communicate silently during presentations, online classes, webinars, or team meetings. If someone sends a message, it will appear in the chat panel, and you can continue the conversation by typing another message. This makes Google Meet Chat a very useful communication tool during any online meeting. When you're finished, you can close the chat panel by clicking the chat icon again or by closing the panel from the right side of the screen. That's how to chat in Google Meet. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google Meet tutorials in 2026.